Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. So, I was looking back at my first ever Carol video that I made and look at this TVL dude, $28.9 thousand in liquidity at that point, which was about 1 month ago, 1.5 months ago, and look at what we are sitting at right now. Almost $1 million in TVL, plus the Carol token price has gone absolutely ballistic during these past couple of days. We are sitting at 2.1 cents. This is by far one of the best projects I have ever gotten into. I'm printing about 4% every single day in the Carol token, which is directly tied to Ethereum, so I'm pretty much making $40 worth of Ethereum every single day. Now, I know there are a bunch of YouTubers making a lot more money than I am in this project on a daily basis. I've seen people make like $600, $700 up to $1,000 a day, but that is not the point of this video. The point that I'm trying to make is, well, as you can see, I went in with 24,000 Carol tokens in my first bond, which has been completed now. I think this got completed like last week. So the point that I'm trying to make, look, I only have like 3,500 Carol tokens bonded, 1,000 Carol tokens bonded, 2,000, so I got in total about 6,000 Carol tokens and I'm still earning $40 a day. So this is proof you don't have to be a whale going into this project. As long as you restake your Carol and build up that hold bonus, you can make a nice passive income from this project. Let's get this crypto. And you're probably thinking like, Holger, you're a YouTuber, you probably have a bunch of referrals. Well, actually, I really don't. I only have 3 people invited and I've earned about 0.034 ETH in total from this project, which is about $60. So yeah, you don't have to build a massive team to earn from this project. The tokenomics will make sure that you are making a nice passive income as long as you restake your tokens. You know, like we often talk about delayed gratification. Now, if you're not in this project yet, which I pray to freaking God that you are, because otherwise you have been missing out on some incredible gains. Anyway, if you're not a part of this project yet, but you wanna get in, you can use my link and you will get an extra 2,000 Carol tokens on your bond as long as you bond at least 0.1 ETH, which is 8,700 tokens. Now, after you have made your bond, you will have to go to the Carol protocol Telegram group, links in the description, copy your transaction hash and let them know that Crypto Holger sent you, and they will give you an additional 2,000 Carol. Now, if you bond that, you will have almost double the amount that I have bonded, so you're gonna be earning a lot more than me, which is kinda cool. Now, of course, like I said, I do have a bunch of these stakes, but I'm not earning on these yet. So when the 30 days runs out, like for this one, for example, it runs out on November 16th, I will get back 2,522 Carol tokens plus an additional 30%, as you can see right here. Upon the completion of the vesting period, you will receive plus 30% in tokens to the amount of your initial bond. Okay, I'm freaking retarded, dude. So these are the bonds and these are my stakes. So I'm earning daily rewards on my stakes. Now, I got a bunch of other videos on Carol explaining this project in much more detail, so I suggest you check those out if you are uncertain on the mechanics of this project. But let's say I wanted to create a stake so I can earn some additional Carol tokens on the daily. So what I would do then is just select a bond like this one and pair it up with some ETH. Now, unfortunately, I don't have enough ETH in my wallet to do so. I'm looking to take some profit today from other projects and make some more stakes, because this project is still very underground, you know. There's only like us DeFi YouTubers who are deep down in the trenches talking about this project. There are basically no mainstream crypto YouTuber talking about this project, but that will change once we get above $1 million in liquidity. Mark my words. And that's pretty much everything that I wanted to cover. Carol has been an absolute lifesaver for me. But anyway, that's pretty much it for the video. I want to thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out my Telegram group. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.